Islamabad is the ninth largest city of Pakistan. We have already covered the famous places in Islamabad. Show you the inner beauty and you will see the hidden places. Number 1. Bird Aviary. Bird Aviary Islamabad is the third aviary of the world, having almost all the species of the bird. It covers 3.1 acre of the land and is located in the center of Lakku Park of Islamabad. It has almost 4,080 kinds of birds around the world, which is the major tourist attraction. The birds so they can fly easily. Number 2. Shamli Dam. It is the biggest reservoir of drinking water for individuals living in Islamabad. Water comes in this dam from melting snow and natural springs of Murray's Hills. Its elevation is about 80 meters and is built on Swan River. The dam is surrounded by mountains. Number 3. Shah Aladita Caves. It is a centuries-old ancient caves which is also known as Siddiabad, located in the foots of Margala Hills. It is said to be older more than 700 years. Alexander and Sher Shah Suri used this road to travel from Kabul to Gandhara. Number 4. Nila Sand. It is one of the most attractive places in Islamabad and only few people knows about it. Nila Sand is about 40 km away from Islamabad city. Its clear blue water is surrounding mountains and greenery make it major attraction for tourists. Number 5. Parwala Port. It is a 15th century port located about 40 kilometers away from Islamabad. Port is naturally surrounded by Himalayan range. Number 6. Bruti Waterfalls. This hidden waterfall is located behind Bari Imam's shrine. It has clear crystal blue water with an eye-catching beauty of Margala Hills. In summer, many people visit this delightful waterfall and enjoy swimming in natural ponds. Number 7. Nilan Bhutu. It is located on the top of Margala Hills on about 40 minutes drive from Pir Suhara. There are small water ponds having crystal water where fishes can be found in excess amount. Number 8. Shakkar Padiyan Hills. A hill in the center of Islamabad make it a magnificent sight to visit. This hill has a local park for visitors. Star and Crescent Monument is an eye-catching piece of art to witness. Number 9. Rawal Lake. It is a man-made water reservoir located near Margala Hills National Park. Some small water streams come from top of Margala's Hills and Combs River and are combined to form this artificial water lake. It covers almost 8.8 square kilometer area. Number 10. Railway Heritage Museum. It is located in Godla Sharif. This station, established in 1882, which connects three cities including Peshawar, Kohat and Haveli. This museum is a major attraction of local everyday tourists to visit. Thank you friends for watching this video. I hope you all enjoyed it. For more videos, please like and subscribe my channel. Explore the beauty of Pakistan.